Hello all, welcome to MES e-learning channel. In this session, we will be discussing about overview of development of art from Indian and Western perspective. First of all, let's talk about art. Art is the expression of ideas and emotions through a physical medium like painting, sculpture, film, dance, theatre, writing, photography, etc. Now the development of art in India and the West has been shaped by unique historical, cultural and philosophical factors. First of all, let's discuss about a brief history of our Indian art. Archaeologists discovered evidence of prehistoric rock art, carvings or drawings on cave rocks in this area dating back at least 290,000 years. And the oldest examples are the Bhimbetka petroglyphs found in central India. The earliest known Indian art sculptures were produced by the Indus Valley civilization between 2500 BC and 1800 BC. They created small terracotta and bronze figures that also represented humans and animals such as cows and monkeys. In the 6th century BC, the rise of Buddhism paved a way for religious themed art, often in the form of stone and bronze sculptures. Now, in this session, we will be uncover the types of Indian folk paintings, architecture and sculpture. Now, these are some of the prehistoric rock art that represented like copper alloy figure of Shakyamuni Buddha and the group of Indus Valley terracotta figures. Now, in Indus Valley terracotta figures, they are found throughout the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic period, and they consist of cupules. Cupules are the round shaped body of human animals. Now, there are various types of Indian art. Each region of India offered its own distinct style of art. It may be related to the religious motifs, but some of them deals with the common subjects like their daily activities, mythological, human and animal forms, as well as some elaborate ornamentations. The three and the most prevalent art forms to span India's history are painting, architecture and sculpture, and it depends from era to era. So far, we have discussed about the general introduction about our Indian art. In our upcoming section, we will be discussing about various paintings, architecture and sculpture of Indian art. Thank you.